move it around, whirl it around so it goes everywhere. Yep, and then put the paper, and then I'll start mixing this. One egg. And where's the other one here? 2 eggs.
Okay, now the baking paper.
Oh, look at us go. Jeez. It's like we're in MasterChef or something.
Maybe we should go to MasterChef.
Do you have a whisk, Rach?
Oh, 2 weeks, yeah.
Yeah, I might use a whisk. That might be a little bit easier.
Right. I need that later. Right.
This is so dry. Ugh.
I do have another one.
I think I need to do it with this first and then whisk it, maybe.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to? Oh yeah, brownie mix is supposed to be pretty dry, right?
Yes. Yeah,
This dry though?
yeah. Just in case.
Yeah, I think the whisk is going to be too thick for that, so...
I do have another whisk.
Yeah.
Hey, you did it! Yay!
Do you want to take over this, or do you want me to do it? We might need to put more butter in it, because I don't know, but to me that looks very dry. Do you reckon that looks too dry, Rach?
Let's see. Do you think that it looks too dry to you?
Maybe keep mixing it.
Maybe keep mixing it? Okay. Maybe.
And what am I doing here? This. Can I move?
Oh, maybe we could put one more thing.
Alright, so I'm scooping that into here, correct?
Yes.
Yes. If it's too dry, either I reckon add a little bit of milk or add a little bit of butter. But only do a very tiny bit of milk.
Yep. Tiny bit of milk.
You know what might be easier? If I use a...
Okay. Mixing up the brownie batter. This is hard.
It is hard, huh?
Can we swap?
Yeah. I think it's easier doing it with the spoon, but you can do it with either one.
Okay.
I kind of went like this and then scooped it with the spoon.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do.
Alright. Let's do the both of us. Cupcakes.
Jeez, this is an arm workout.
Yeah, have fun.
Tiny bit more. That looks better.
Yeah.
Looks like poop.
Don't say that, we're gonna eat it later.
Yummy poop.
a workout.
That's a workout. How about this thick thing? Oh, they should do this at gyms. Okay.
Yeah, cooking workout.
Alright.
Baking workout.
Do you reckon that's good?
Yep, that's good. That's good to me.